Hi everyone, today I have the Naturium The Glow Getter Multi-Oil Body Wash. This has been one of my new favorite body washes that I have tried this year. I use it every single day. One thing that I love about it is the oil to gel formula because it's very unique. It's not like any other body wash that I've personally tried. So it starts off very silky, but then once you lather it, it turns very gentle and foamy. And I feel like it really gives a nice clean, but it does not strip your skin. So every time I use this, I feel like my skin feels extremely nourished and hydrated, especially on spots that might be a little bit drier. In the winter, that's when I started using this a couple months ago when it started getting cold. My skin started to feel and look more on the dry side. This really helped in those specific areas of my skin to just feel hydrated and soft. I also enjoy that the scent is not too strong. It's very light. I'm a person that does not like anything that has a super strong or overwhelming scent, especially with a body wash. And so I love that the scent is light and not overwhelming. So this would be a really great option if you are looking for something that has a scent that is not strong but still feels and smells very pleasant.